Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to restore Windows 10 to a previous stable state using System Restore. This is perfect if your computer is acting up and you want to roll back to a working version without losing your personal files. First, go to the Windows search bar and type Recovery. From the results, select Recovery in the Control Panel section. Next, click Open System Restore. A new window will appear that walks you through the process. Click Next and you'll see a list of restore points. Think of these as time capsules of when your system was stable. Choose a restore point from before the issues started. Once you've selected a restore point, click Next and then Finish. Windows will remind you that the process cannot be undone unless you create another restore point. When you confirm, your computer will restart and apply the changes. After the process, your computer should return to a healthier state. System Restore is a safe troubleshooting tool because it preserves your personal files while fixing system problems. And that's it. You now know how to restore Windows 10 using System Restore. For extra protection, make sure to create restore points regularly so you always have a backup to return to. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tips.